Shut up. Oh, dude, he just got it. He just got the fish I freaking saw. I saw it, pointed out, and he caught it. It's a good one.
Morning, everybody. We are out. It's July 1st. We're clearly doing something different because I'm standing, and it kind of looks like right now I'm probably standing in the middle of the water, but we're actually out in a boat. We are out with Clint Hopkins of Hopkins Electronics Expert Installations. He's the guy if you need anything done on your kayak, boat, aquatic, anything. But we're gonna get out here and try to catch some fish.
And I fumble. Boys, I've been drinking for days. Well, I stagger and I fumble. Boys, I've been drinking for days.
There you go. There you go.
And the reason I'm drinking, my woman got some low down ways. If you don't want me, baby, you ought to tell me so. If you don't want me, baby, you ought to tell me so. I'll get my trunk and my clothes, and out your door I'll go.
But fish literally just jumped off.
Now tell me, baby, what you think of me. Well, now tell me, baby, what you think of me. You ain't been giving me no rest since I've been in Nashville, Tennessee. One more verse and I ain't gonna sing no more. I'm gonna sing one more verse and I ain't gonna sing no more.
Oh, dude, he just got it. He just got the fish I freaking saw. I saw it, pointed out, and he caught it. It's a good one. Here, I got. Alright, I'll let you go. Alright, I love you. Wait, I gotta zip my phone.
No, you're good. You're good. Take your time. He's hooked good. Yeah, you pointed him out and I put it down there and then...
Well, I was like, oh, you got it too close to him.
Yeah, well then all of a sudden it started going.
Got it. That's a good one.
Yeah. The old one eye there. There we go.
Here. I'm so happy you got that. I was like, oh, you hit it too close. I thought you scared him.
Yeah,
dude, I bet you that's the same fish we saw wandering around back there.
Probably. Well, I mean, look at this.
Yeah.
It's got a cloudy eye. Look at that fish right there. Yeah. A snake. Close your mouth. 21. Really ugly guy, but that's fishing with Clint Hopkins. That's Hopkins Electronics. Expert installation. Puts you on the fish every time. All right. There he goes.
Nice, dude.
All right, well, it is about 3 o'clock. We just got that nice fish, so I think we're not going to press our luck, and I think we're going to call it a day. What do you say, Clint?
Let's do it.
All right. Okay, we'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for checking in.